For years, M.E.E.T Ministry has been committed to training gospel medical missionaries, men and women prepared to meet the needs of a suffering world. Our 4-month school has shaped countless workers for the Lord's closing work.
Students will be immersed in a full medical missionary lifestyle. We emphasize natural remedies, Bible-based health evangelism, gardening, and much more, combined with practical real-world experience that equips you to serve effectively anywhere God may send.
You will gain the knowledge, the skills, and the certification needed to step confidently into gospel medical missionary work in these final days. The Lord has impressed your heart. If you sense that now is the time to prepare, we invite you to join us.
For more information, visit meetministry.org or call us at 731-244-2140.
Enroll and be equipped for the closing work.